And this is our kamar before, because it's leaking. We moved to this room, this villa. So we go inside here. This is our room. But it's still a mess. And there is the bedroom upstairs. Sorry guys for the mess. Kasih. And here is the bathroom. And here the little kitchen. Dapurnya guys. Dan ini ruang tamu, living room. So it's not bad. It's nice, and this is the view from outside. So good morning from Bali. This is our room. Look from upstairs, from on top. So it's already hot early in the morning. Beautiful. We are going to the upstairs. This is our room. The bed. Okay, it's a little bit dark here. There you can see. And there over is the cupboard. That is me. And that is nice painting. And here is the basin for the brush teeth. And the view outside. There is the view outside. Beautiful. And there is the another town. So yeah guys, that is. So now we're gonna go outside from the in front. This is our view from on top. Look at the wall. And this is our kamar before, because it's leaking. We moved to this room, this villa.